we're able to grasp how to approach the executive summary in the main exams. So, as our custom is to look at 5 quiz questions, let's attempt it based on the initials like we usually do. We are just, how many of us on the call now? We are just 4 of us, okay? So I have AA on the call. I have EO on the call. I have, let me say IB. Iboro should be IB. Then let me call Lara LR on the call. So once the question flashes on your screen, you just pick your options. The option that resonates with you, and we'll write down. Then we'll have judgment day to know how many you scored and your percentage understanding of the subject. All right, so let's begin the quiz question. All right, number 1, and it reads, what is the first step in writing a professional report in the ICAN case study exams? A, on trends. B, determine the report's purpose. C, decide if the report is internal or external. D, write the executive summary. What is the first step in writing a professional report in the ICAN case study examination? Okay, so AA, let me know your pick.
I think though I didn't start the class, but I'm looking at the purpose for the report.
Excuse me. Okay, is that your final answer, B?
I think so.
All right, B, final answer. Okay, and EO, what's your pick?
C, sir.
Okay, EO is going for C. All right, Iboro, IB, what's your pick?
C.
Okay, IB is going for C. All right, Lara, LR, what's your pick? Is Lara there?
Sorry, sir. I think I'll go for, yeah.
Okay, you change your option to C.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because,
I hope you're not following the crowd, because if the crowd crashes, you will also crash.
No. It's not about the crowd. It's between the B and C. You know, I didn't start the class with you, so I'm just trying to look at it clearly. But it's between no B and C.
Okay, no problem. As long as we've not seen the answers or gotten to judgment day, you're allowed to change your option. So IB and EO, you can still change your option. All right, so C, everybody is going with C. Okay. Lara, are you there? Oh, your maybe she's on a call, because I'm seeing her number on hold. All right, so let's go to the next question. Once you are back, Lara, let us know so that you can give us your option. Number 2, which of the following best describes the purpose of an executive summary? A, provide all detailed calculations and tables. B, outline the report's purpose, findings, conclusions, and recommendations. C, include only background and assumption. D, repeat all the content of the report word for word. Which of the following best describes the purpose of an executive summary? All right, AA.
Yeah, that's B.
Okay, B. All right, EO.
B too, sir.
B, all right. IB.
B.
Okay, B. Everybody's going for the same option. All right, we'll see on judgment day. Number 3, which of the following is not a type of analysis required in the ICAN case study examination? A, financial statement analysis. B, tax compliance analysis. C, financial data analysis. D, business analysis. Which of the following is not a type of analysis required in the ICAN case study examination? All right, AA. Let's go for your pick.
That's B, sir.
Okay, B. EO, what's your pick?
Same thing, sir.
B. All right. IB, what's your pick?
B.
Okay, IB to B. All right. Is Lara there now? Lara, are you with us? Do you want to make your picks? No, I guess not. She's still on hold. Okay. So let's go to the fourth question. Which of the following is a common mistake in writing executive summaries? A. Summarizing recommendations and conclusions. B. Providing purpose and required actions. C. Using bullet points for clarity. D. Introducing new information not in the main report. Which of the following is a common mistake in writing executive summaries? AA.
D. D.
B, or you said B?
D.
Okay, D. Okay. All right. EO.
D too, sir.
Okay. IB.
D.
Okay. IB is going for D also. All right. I can see AK. I can see TT have joined the call. Okay.
Good evening, sir. I just joined now.
Yeah, good evening. You're welcome. Nice to have you both on the call. All right, we have rounded up the class. We're just going through our test, our quiz questions, but then you have the opportunity to also join in the quiz. So
yeah, I will participate.
All right.
Yeah, I will join, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we just treated number 4. So let me add AK and TT. So AK, on the screen, we have question 4. Which of the following is a common mistake in writing executive summaries? So that goes for AK and TT also. A, summarizing recommendations and conclusions. B, providing purpose and required actions. C, using bullet points for clarity. D, introducing new information not in the main report. Which of the following is a common mistake in writing executive summaries?
D.
AK is going for D. All right, TT, what's your pick?
Okay, so D, sir.
Okay, you go for D too. All right. The final question, number 5. What are the 2 basic musts in professional report writing? A, accuracy and brevity. B, clarity and detail. C, accuracy and objectivity. D, conciseness and persuasiveness. What are the 2 basic musts in professional report writing? AK. Okay, no, let me go for AA first. AA, what's your pick?
I'm trying to look at.
You're trying to look at the options. All right, let's give you some time to think. Okay, so AK, what's your pick?
B. Sir.
Okay, AK is going for B, clarity and detail. All right. AA, are you ready? Or we should move to another person? Okay, let's assume AA is still thinking. All right, let's go for EO. EO, what's your pick? Question 5.
I'm still thinking.
Quite a tricky question. I like this question then. Unlike question 1 to 4, everybody just picked. Okay, so let's go for IB.
I'll go for B.
Okay, AA will go for B. All right, AA is going for B too. Same with AK. Okay, EO is still thinking. IB, what's your pick? Is IB still thinking?
I'll go for C.
Okay, IB will go for C. All right. Is Lara there now? Lara, are you there? Are you with us now? I still doubt as much. Okay, TT, what's your pick? Question 5. Are you still reminiscing over the question? I like the question. The question is a tricky one. So that means somebody will drop points here.
Report has to be objective.
Yes, for sure. That doesn't mean
So,
Martin is a capital.
I would say it's C.
Very, very, very important. We haven't had it.
Okay, TT is going for C. Final answer C.
Unfortunately, but because
still have the opportunity to change your mind. Final answer. Let me allow you. C. Okay. Final answer C. All right. So we are waiting for you, EO. EO, question 5. Have you decided now?
Oh, I'm looking between C and D, but seriously, God.
So use your 50-50 now. You have 50-50 lifeline, so use it.
So I can call a line, which is you. I can
No,
call
you can't call me. You're on your own. In this case, I'm not your friend. You're on your own.
I can call a friend, which is you, to give me the answer.
No. You're on your own. No. So, you must please score 100 over 100.
Let me go with the crowd.
80%.
Let me go with the crowd.
The crowd are divided too. So you have 2 candidates choosing B, then you have 2 candidates choosing C. So the crowd is divided. Which of the crowd do you want to go with? The B crowd or the C crowd? I like this question. At least it will sprout us to think, Are you still thinking, or you've decided to pick one?
B. Oh, I'll go with
you didn't even use C or D. You went for B. Okay, you went with the B crowd. All right. Okay, so for the benefit of
I wanted to use D now, but then I'm just confused on it.
Just decide. Pick
I can still come back and change since we have. Just be going now. When we come to the last track, I just decide.
Yes. You can still decide. We've not seen the answers now, so you can still decide. All right. So because of AK and TT that joined late, let's go back to question 1. So AK, question 1 reads, what is the first step in writing? Sorry, AK and TT. What is the first step in writing a professional report in the ICAN case study examination? A, identify key ratios and trends. B, determine the report's purpose. C, decide if the report is internal or external. D, write the executive summary. What is the first step in writing a professional report in the ICAN case study exams? So AK and TT, what are your picks?
C, AK.
The AK is going for C. TT, what's your pick?
Yes, C as well.
An unbelievable score,
Okay,
and the depth
for
they have.
C. All right. Okay, so question 2. Which of the following best describes the purpose of an executive summary? A, provide all detailed calculations and tables. B, outline the report's purpose, findings, conclusions, and recommendations. C, include only background and assumptions. And D, repeat all the content of the report word for word. Which of the following best describes the purpose of an executive summary?
B.
Okay, AK is going for B. TT, what are you going for?
B as well, sir.
All right. Number 3. Which of the following is not a type of analysis required in the ICAN case study exams? A, financial statement analysis. B, tax compliance analysis. C, financial data analysis. D, business analysis. Which of the following is
B.
not a type? Okay. Who is going for B, AK or TT?
AK, B.
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 Okay. TT also
B.
B. All right. Okay. So question 4, I think you've answered question 4. I believe which of the following is a common mistake in writing executive summaries? AK picked D and TT picked
Yes,
D. Am I correct? All right. And finally, question 5, what are the 2 basic musts? So everybody has an opportunity to change now before we go to judgment day. What are the 2 basic musts in professional report writing? A, accuracy and brevity. B, clarity and detail. C, accuracy and objectivity. D, conciseness and persuasiveness. So we have AK chose
Okay, I
B.
go with D. Everybody should let me just be the only person that is out of the box. I go with D.
Okay, EO has changed from B to D. All right. So we have AKB, AAB, EOD, IBC, and TTC. All right, so let's go to judgment day now. Let's go. Number 1. What is the first step in writing a professional report in the ICAN case study exam? The answer is C. You decide if the report is internal or external. And that is correct. I think everybody got that. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of us got it. So the format of the report depends on whether it's internal, which is a memo to your boss or a board, or letter, or external letter to a client, the MD, or the CFO. This influences the tone and structure. Correct. So that's good. Number 2, which of the following best describes the purpose of an executive summary? The answer is B. It outlines the report's purpose, findings, conclusions, and recommendations. So the executive summary gives a concise and self-contained summary that lets readers understand the full report without reading every detail. So good one. 5 of us got 5B. Number 3, which of the following is not a type of analysis required in the ICAN case study? The answer is B, tax compliance analysis. Correct. Everybody got it. So the ICAN case study focuses on financial statement, financial data, and business analysis, not taxation matters. Very correct. Number 4, which of the following is a common mistake in writing executive summaries? The answer is D, very correct. Introducing new information not in the main report. The executive summary must reflect only what is already in the main report. No new findings or ideas should appear here. Exactly. So everybody got it. D. Okay, so the final cracker, number 5. What are the 2 basic musts in professional report writing? The answer is C. Wow. So IB and TT are on board. Correct. Okay, so accuracy and objectivity, C is the answer. And I stated it in the lecture, so I'm surprised that even gurus like AA missed it. It was clear in one of the slides. It speaks to reports must be fact-based. I said it must not be accurate based on your computation. It's not computational accuracy now. The facts and the exhibits must resonate with you in communicating your findings, your conclusions, and recommendations. So the reports must be fact-based, which is accuracy, and it must be unbiased, objectivity, which is a core requirement in professional and ethical requirements or reporting. So just IB and CC and TT got that point. So AK and AA chose BB. So B is wrong because clarity and detail are useful, but they do not replace the fundamental musts, which is accuracy and objectivity. Okay, so AK and AA dropped points. And EO decided to go for what did she go for? D, okay. So persuasiveness may be needed in some reports, but it must never override objectivity. Exactly. All right, good results. AK 80%, understanding of the subject. Good result. AA 80% too. EO 80% too. IB 100%. Excellent. TT 100%. Excellent. All right, good results, guys. So please replicate this in the case study. It's easy to score 80%, but I don't think anybody has scored 100% so far. So 80% is okay now. 80, 90 in case study. I've seen someone score 90, 93. To fail also. if you annoy the examiner. All right, good tries and nice attempts. We'll have to stop here for the night. Any questions, any recommendations?